The question of whether sex equates to love is one that has intrigued philosophers, psychologists, and romantics alike for centuries. At its core, this inquiry delves into the intricate dynamics of human relationships, probing the interplay between physical desire and emotional connection. While sex and love often coexist in intimate partnerships, they are distinct phenomena, each contributing unique dimensions to the human experience. Welcome to JASPER HARUSKA TV. Please like, share, and subscribe. By examining the complexities of this relationship, we can unravel the nuances of intimacy, desire, and affection, shedding light on the intricate tapestry of human emotions and relationships. Please endeavor to watch till the end to have a clear understanding of whether sex is indeed love. Shall we? Number 1. Defining sex and love. Sex, in its simplest form, refers to the physical act of intimacy involving sexual organs and stimulation. Love, on the other hand, encompasses a broad spectrum of emotions, including affection, attachment, trust, and commitment. While sex is a primal instinct rooted in biological drives, love is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon shaped by cultural, social, and personal factors. Number 2. The intersection of sex and love. In many romantic relationships, sex and love intertwine, creating a powerful synergy of physical gratification and emotional connection. Physical intimacy can serve as an expression of love, deepening emotional bonds and fostering intimacy between partners. Conversely, love can enhance the experience of sex, imbuing it with meaning, passion, and vulnerability. Number 3. The role of physical intimacy. Sex can be an expression of love, but it does not necessarily equate to love in and of itself. Physical intimacy can exist in the absence of emotional connection, as seen in casual encounters or purely physical relationships. However, when sex is coupled with love, it takes on a deeper significance, serving as a manifestation of emotional closeness and affection. Number 4. Emotional connection and intimacy. Love transcends physical desire, encompassing a deep emotional bond between individuals. Emotional intimacy involves trust, vulnerability, and mutual understanding, fostering a sense of connection and belonging. While sex can enhance emotional intimacy, it is not a prerequisite for love, as platonic relationships and familial bonds also exemplify deep emotional connections. Before we proceed, have you subscribed? Please do if you haven't, as it goes a long way in helping this channel grow, and don't forget to like, share, and comment, as it makes the algorithm to recommend this channel to more people to benefit from. Let's proceed. Number 5. Challenges and misconceptions. The conflation of sex and love can lead to misunderstandings and unrealistic expectations in relationships. Society often romanticizes the idea of sex as the ultimate expression of love, placing undue pressure on individuals to equate physical intimacy with emotional connection. However, this misconception can be detrimental, as it overlooks the complexities of human relationships and diminishes the value of emotional intimacy in non-sexual contexts. Number 6. Cultural and social influences. Cultural norms and societal expectations play a significant role in shaping attitudes towards sex and love. In some cultures, sex is viewed as a sacred and intimate expression of love, while in others, it may be seen as a purely physical act devoid of emotional significance. Social factors, such as media portrayals of romance and sexuality, can also influence perceptions of sex and love, perpetuating stereotypes and unrealistic ideals. Conclusion. In the intricate landscape of human relationships, the question of whether sex is love defies a simple answer. While physical intimacy can be a powerful expression of emotional connection, it is not synonymous with love itself, because love encompasses a myriad of emotions and experiences that extend beyond the realm of physical desire, encompassing trust, commitment, and mutual respect. By recognizing the distinct but complementary nature of sex and love, we can cultivate healthier, more fulfilling relationships built on genuine emotional intimacy and understanding. Ultimately, it is through empathy, communication, and vulnerability that we forge connections that transcend the boundaries of the physical and embrace the depths of the human heart. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more psychological facts.